Well, dear students, 9th group, JSS English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. So today's lesson, Unit 4, page number 73. Take a pencil in your hand, sit with all attachments, make the notes, notebook should be ready. Open your textbook, page number 73, Unit 4, Prose, Whatever We Do, written by Clifford Matthews. Before going to start the lesson, follow the board. Unit 4, 18th November 2020. Main concept of this lesson is comprehension and article. Whatever we do, this one actually an article. And here you see prose, whatever we do, written by Clifford Matthews. Learning points today's student, glossary, that is the word meaning, page 79. And about the author, page 86. And read on the whole lesson in this way. So, Unit 4, page 73. Before you read the lesson, your teacher will read the following dialogues. Listen to the dialogues. It's very important. Why are you so dull like a lamp? So dull means you have no energy, no inspiration. Not that you are in a very good enthusiastic mood. Why? What's that to you? What is that? What's that? What is that to you? Do you lose anything by saying it? Do you lose anything by saying it? Well, I have lost my money. Can you get it? Well, I have lost my money. Can you get it? Aha, I know you are always irresponsible. Keep your mouth shut, will you? Now, B. Kolamusi, you are a bit down. May I know why? Chetan, my purse is stolen. Really sorry. If you don't mind, I will lend you money. Thanks a lot, but I don't need it now. Alright, don't let it bother you too much. You are right anyway. I feel better with your encouraging words. Which dialogue do you think is more politely worded? Discuss with your partner. 2 friends through online, you can do the chatting. Or 4 group, 6 group, 8 group, 10 groups. In conference, online conference, you can make it and do the chatting. And you will find out what type of words, what type of question you like it most. That this one should be told to some people in this way, or else according to the mood of the other person in this way. Which one politely, softly, sophisticatedly, means which way you are talking and convincing others. It's a matter. That means your communication, it's a matter through English language. How to read the dialogues, how to find out correct form, frame it correctly, nicely, and everybody love to hear the sweet words and the logical words. That one you have to do. Now read on. Whatever we do. Before going to start, whatever we do, please open page number 79. 9th group, page 79. Destination, a place to which someone is going. Complacent, to please very happy or satisfied with oneself. Suppose to think or believe that something is true. Gratitude, the feeling of being grateful. Thank you very much. We say that is the grateful attitude. Make amends, compensate, make up for. Sarcastically, a way of using words that are opposite of what you mean, satirically. Ambience, the character and atmosphere of a place, reassuringly, by way of restoring confidence. Alms, A-L-M-S, money, clothes, food given away to the poor. That when the person, people, anytime poor people want something, that is alms, you are giving something. Persist, firmly. Innovation, introduction of new things or ideas. Fair, old-fashioned or formal food that is offered as a meal. Devoid of, lacking, empty, courtesy, good manners. Relegate, give less importance. Now about the author, Clifford Mattis. Please open, dear students, 9th group, page 86. In 86, page number, you see what is given about the author. Clifford Mattis is a Christian by birth, a socialist by choice, and a lawyer by profession. He studied in Don Bosco High School, Lonavala, Pune in 1969. He lives in Mumbai. His hometown is Mahim in Maharashtra. He works with Every Child Our Child organization to bring happiness on every child's face. He is an RTI activist. That's all about Clifford Mattis. He is a Christian by birth, socialist by choice, lawyer by profession. Studied in Don Bosco High School, Lonavala, Pune in 1969. Lives in Mumbai, hometown Mahim in Maharashtra. Works with Every Child Our Child organization to bring happiness on every child's face. He is an RTI activist. So when we will read this article, we will understand that what Clifford Mattis wanted to advise and suggest towards the viewers and the readers. So dear viewers and readers, class 9 group, get ready. Open page number 73, Whatever We Do by Clifford Mattis. Whatever we do, let's try to do it better. Our actions, our words, whatever it is, let us try to do it better. Success, they say, is a journey and not a destination. Success is a journey, not a destination. Going on, going on, going on. We can say progress also is a journey, not a destination. Progress means development, not closed, not destination. Here closed only, no. It's a journey going on, going on. Therefore, we need not feel complacent that we are doing fine. We should be always thinking, how to do it more good, how to do it more good. We must constantly be on the lookout for better performance. If I want to thank someone, I can say thanks. But suppose I say thanks a lot, wouldn't it be better? Depending upon the time and the situation, we can try and improve this even further and say, I'm very grateful to you. Thankful attitude. Or you have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And so on. So if anyone thank you, anyone help you, anyone do something for you, and in return, if you talk in this way, automatically vibration will be there. Circumstance, situation, society will learn something from you, and they will at least understand. People, wherever you will put your leg, and whenever you are thinking about your platform, etc., etc., any society around the world, they will think about you. So this much you learn all the words and sentences, whatever we do by Clifford Martis. Shortly coming back with the continued lesson. 9. God bless you.